Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear those. So friends, today's video is question number 2.12 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Electrons are emitted with zero velocity from the metal surface when it is exposed to radiation of wavelength 6800 angstrom. Calculate threshold frequency and work function of the metal. So friends, here there is a metal surface and the wavelength of 6800 angstrom is exposed on the metal surface and electrons are coming out. So the energy of the radiation is used to bring the electrons out. That energy is called threshold energy or work function, and whatever is energy left over, that is turned into kinetic energy. Here in the question it is mentioned that velocity is equal to 0. It means we can say kinetic energy is also 0. So total energy of the radiation is divided into work function plus kinetic energy. If the kinetic energy is 0, then energy is equal to work function, we can say. So that work function is equal to energy of the radiation which is given. Here we can calculate the energy of the radiation and that will be the work function. Work function is the energy which is required to bring the electrons out from the metal surface. So here E formula for energy is hc by lambda, where h is a Planck's constant. Its value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. C is speed of light, value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and lambda is 6800 angstrom, which we will write 6800 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, because 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. We need to convert the angstrom into meter to use in the formula. Now do start calculation. 6800 into 10 to the power minus 10. First we will write this in 68 into 10 to the power 2. We can write into 10 to the power minus 10 already present. So it becomes 68 into 10 to the power minus 8. So in place of 6800 into 10 to the power minus 10, we will write simply, first copy the other things, 10 to the power minus 34 joule second into 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now upon, in place of 6800 into 10 to the power minus 10, we will write 68 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter. Now meter cancel, per second and second cancel. Multiply 6.626 with 3, we will get the value 19.875 divided by 68, and the powers are 10 to the power minus 34, then plus 8, and from the denominator side the power will go up and become plus 8. Now do the division. 19.875 with 68, we will get the value 0.292 into 10 to the power. So minus 34 plus 8 plus 8, it means minus 34 plus 16, will get the answer minus 18. So we can write 10 to the power minus 18 and the unit is joule. To write in more appropriate form, we will shift the decimal right side. It becomes 2.92, and shifting rightward, it means minus power. So one step means minus 1, minus 18 minus 1 joule. So we can write it, the final answer is 2.92 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. This is the work function of the metal. Now come up to the next part. They are asking the threshold frequency. So friends, here in this case all the energy is used for the emission of the electron, that is energy is equal to the work function. So that work function is also that energy is also, we can say, the threshold energy, because it is equal to the work function. If the energy is threshold energy, the lambda which is used in this radiation is also known as threshold wavelength. Wavelength is also called as threshold wavelength. So from here we can get the threshold frequency, that will be C by threshold wavelength. Putting the value, C value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and threshold lambda as we get 68 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter. Now dividing 3 with 68, we will get value 0.0441 into 10 to the power, now plus 8, and then from the denominator side it will go up and become plus 8, and meter will be cancelled, the unit become per second. Now it will be 0.0441 into 10 to the power 8 plus 8, 16 per second. Or writing in more appropriate way, shift the decimal towards right side 2 step. So it will become 4.41 into 10 to the power 16. Shifting rightwards means minus, and 2 step means minus 2 per second. So the final answer will be 4.41 into 10 to the power 16 minus 2, 40 per second, and this we can write hertz also. Per second is equal to hertz. So we can write 4.41 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So this is our answer. This is also correct answer. This is also correct answer. The threshold frequency is 4.41 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So friends, that's all for today. Very easy calculations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.